Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki. We're doing second and third position etudes, page 20 from Suzuki Viola Book number 2, tutorial and playthrough. Here we go. Let's get started. Starting with the second position. The first two measures are our model. Measures 3 and 4 will sound the same. The only difference is instead of 1 and 2, we're going to do 1, 1. Notice that shift, my hand stays the same positioning, just the elbow takes my hand to where it needs to go, a whole step away. Okay, same pitches as measures 1 and 2. Next, we have the rest of our groupings of two measures are going to be here with a slide. So we have 2/8 notes with a slur, 1, 1. Now, don't be afraid of hearing that. We want to hear it so we don't rush our shift. Okay, we want to have relaxed shifts. Here we are. Second line, next grouping. And our last grouping. Okay, let's play second position, lines 1 and 2, as written, with the repeats. Here we are, and. Okay, time for third position. So here we are. Instead of doing 1, 3, we're going to do 1, 1. Another step and a half total. So here we are. Good. Next grouping. Next grouping. Last grouping. Alright, let's play the third position, lines 3 and 4 with the repeats. Here we are. Alright, let me know how you did in the comments below. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in Beethoven Minuet in G. Bye.